Hi, welcome to Maree. I'm going to share a quick, healthy 10-minute broccoli stir fry. It's a southern Indian recipe known as Thoran. I love this just to whip up when I don't know what to eat and I want something healthy, and I've been trying to lose weight for the last 12 months. So this is something that I've been having every week, and I serve it with rice, either black rice, brown rice or white rice. So let's get mixing. Let's get cooking, rather. So I've got my pan heating up here. I've got it on a relatively low to medium heat, depending on what you're cooking on. This is my portable induction hob, so you just need to use a bit of common sense and put it on whatever setting works for you. So in that, I'm going to add just a teaspoon of coconut oil. You can add whatever oil you like, or you can add butter. I'll just get that melted. I've got a half an onion chopped up. It was quite a large red onion. That's all I've got. So I've chopped that up finely. So that's going to get thrown in there. And it's really 10 minutes from when you've chopped everything up. So if you're making this from scratch at home, it might take you a little bit longer to start with. And I'm going to make it with frozen broccoli. This is something that I've been eating for the last 6 months, just so it's easy to have in the freezer, ready to eat when I want it. So I've got my broccoli out. This is 250 grams and it's been defrosting in my fridge. So I'm just going to chop it up finely. So that's all my broccoli, nice and finely chopped. And I've got a teaspoon of minced garlic that I'm going to put in there. You can use fresh garlic and just chop it up. Sometimes if I don't have any garlic or onion in the house, I'll whip this up without it and it still tastes great. Just want to make sure the onions are nice and cooked through. One thing you can add now if you'd like is mustard seeds. I think the traditional Indian way is to add some brown mustard seeds to this part of the cooking, but I won't do that today. I'm going to leave it out. One thing I do add, which isn't quite Indian, I like to add beans or legumes into everything I eat, and I add in half a cup of edamame beans. These were in the freezer and I've just poured some boiling water over to defrost them quickly and rinse the water off, so they're ready to go. I've got half a cup of grated carrots to throw in, or you can do a chopped carrot. Sometimes I put my fermented carrots in there if I'm in a hurry and I don't have any other carrots in the house. So those onions are smelling cooked. So now I'm going to throw in everything else. I'm going to throw in my carrots. 250 grams of broccoli, that's about 1 cup plus a quarter of a cup if you want a cup measurement. Half a cup of the edamame beans. Just going to mix this together. And a funny thing is my husband dislikes broccoli, but he loves this. I think because the broccoli is so finely chopped, so it's a good one for any fussy eaters in the house. You can serve this up for them. A little bit of a twist, we put in a quarter of a teaspoon of ground turmeric and 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. The original recipe was with shredded coconut, which I did buy a bag of from the Orient food store, but I don't often get it, so I just have adapted this to put the desiccated coconut. But if you want to be a bit fancier, add in grated or shredded coconut. Now all I do now is sit it with the lid and let it rest for 5 minutes. One thing I did forget, I just need to add a little bit of pepper and salt to taste. We don't like a lot of salt here, but I'll just put a little bit. This is a rosemary salt in that container, but you can just do regular salt. So everything is cooked. Look at that. You don't want to cook it for too long because then you'll lose that beautiful vibrancy of the green and the orange. And then I just boiled some rice before we started filming. So then when I go to serve it, I just do a little quarter of a cup of rice. I do 2 scoops for my husband and I just do 1 for myself. And then a couple of spoonfuls of this. And if you wanted to serve it with another curry, you could. If you wanted to serve it with some meat protein, feel free. But that's how I serve it up. So that's how I make my quick and easy, healthy broccoli stir fry, Thoran, Southern Indian recipe. I'm going to play tennis tonight. in a few hours time. So this will be ready to eat when I get back. I usually just heat this up in the microwave for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, or if I've still got it in the pan, I'll reheat it on the stove. Hope you've enjoyed this healthy idea for lunch or dinner. Let me know in the comments below if you give it a go and what you think of it. And don't forget, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share it with a friend, and stick around because I'll share a few other video ideas up above. Thanks for watching. Hej då from Sweden. This is